Beginner drivers are often afraid to park close to a wall because they worry about scratching the car. Today, I'll teach you how to park at an extremely close distance like this. First, position the car near the wall, then turn the steering wheel fully to the right and slowly reverse. When you see the front door handle align with the corner of the wall in the right side mirror, immediately turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue reversing slowly until the right side mirror is almost touching the wall. Then straighten the steering wheel and the parking is complete. If the car is parked very close to the wall like this, how can you safely drive out? Simply turn the steering wheel fully to the left and drive forward directly. The car will not scrape the wall. When driving forward, how can you judge the distance between the car body and the wall? Here are several practical reference points to help avoid scratches. When the front edge of the hood aligns with the bottom of the obstacle, the distance is about 3 meters. At this point, making a full turn is still very safe. If the corner of the A-pillar aligns with the bottom of the obstacle, the distance is about 2 meters. At this distance, turning the steering wheel fully will bring the car very close to the obstacle. When the lower edge of the side mirror aligns with the bottom of the obstacle, the distance is only about 30 centimeters. At this point, you should not move forward anymore. While reversing, if the front door handle aligns with the bottom of the obstacle in the side mirror, the distance is about 40 centimeters.